We have an RC track going on.
RC track build, the beginnings.
It's only like 12 in the morning.
12:18
Alright, God, let me take them on a little tour of the jump so far.
All right, time to wrap it up for tonight. Almost 2 a.m. Back at it in the morning. Lowe's, the land of opportunity.
I think
Look
that'll
at
work.
this.
Got
What a
half inch
deal!
thickness.
Buy in bulk, or you could just send her for $14.45.
Think it'll work?
That'll do.
That'll do.
We're in Lowe's, and this man, we steal it. Would you? Yeah, why not? Leave me hanging. Come on now. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Is this it?
Sick, this is it.
You know, just a couple of hardworking young men getting the job done. All there is to it.
Gauge stick the cell a bit. Right there. Take a straight. So you gotta... Mama needs to pull through. Where's that charger?
Some senders. Step up, step down.
There's it's like a little stick that you put in this thing.
Gage Lawrence dirt bike? What? Learned from Ethics Productions? This is how you do it. You gotta get the rear fender. Look at that. Yep. Cut it. Then we're gonna come here. Then we're gonna do this. Oh! How's she looking?
Dialed.
Dialed, huh? Step down attempt number 1. Oh! Mechanic. Dude. Videographer. Mechanic.
Do all right here.
Oh. Hey. Man, who would have thought a year ago that in 2020 we would all be wearing masks everywhere we go? 2020 is weird, y'all.
A little spot scouting today.
Scouting out the new photo spot.
Shameless plug, hit me up if you need some photos done.
I'm just trying to get some of my clout right now.
I already know.
Out.
Oh, okay. On the reel though.
Get a clue.
Hey, no.
Let's go.
Second store of the day.
Pretty much live at this place by now. There we go. The only reason I ever come to this store. You want one?
Down. For free though, you already know.
You already know.
Just get it.
Look at this man's. Look at this man's. Being a good citizen right here. Vlogception. Being a good citizen right here. Are you vlogging my vlog?
Where are we going? Vlog Clash? I live at the store. What we got here?
What's the move?
And I've got to figure out a way to sell more fireworks. I'm going broke with this venture also. Well, I see you got them snakes and sparklers, but where's good stuff, man? Dude, you need stuff to explode. Go boom. Why is that good? So you're gonna tell me that you don't have no black cats, no Roman candles, or screaming mimes? No. Oh, come on, man. You don't got no lady fingers, buzz buttles, snicker bombs, church burners, finger blasters, gut busters, zippity doo-dahs, or crap flappers? No, I don't.
Firework right here.
At Medium Boy.
I already know.
Sure you want to go in here? Let's go rob a store. That's a Timothy McVeigh van.
Huh?
Full of manure. It's gonna blow up in 30 seconds.
Let's do it. I wanted that.
Oh, is that the plan? That's the plan, huh?
All right.
We didn't get the plan on the way in.
Helicopter.
Recipes code. Legend. John B? Outer Banks? What? Outer Banks, you guys know that show?
And then we'll hit that one, and then we can go hit that berm, break them up, coming like around this.
Bitch, I'm sorry, I'm having my way. You ain't even with my team, you ain't with my.
Call me Chef J. I'll cook it up.